Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a drop-down menu list in Google Docs. Open your Docs file, now add a drop-down menu list. Select Insert option and select drop-down option and select a new drop-down list and type your drop-down menu list. Now add option. Let's say UK. I will type finance. Also you can add new option, new item. Korea. Now you can move your item, drag your mouse. Also you can highlight this item. Also you will select save and see this. Download menu list already created. Also you can edit this one and make color this side, this side. Also you can delete here any item. Also you can add and simply select save and see this. Yeah. In this way you can create drop down menu list in your Docs document. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.